welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are gonna take a look at the Shiba Inu. We're gonna talk about the chart, take a look at the price. And guys, join this family of Shiba Army. Please hit the subscribe button as it motivates me to make better content for you guys. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about an update on Shiba Swap from Satoshi. Satoshi tweeted, "Here is an update on the swap. Day 1 of testing was with a small group of OG testers like SHIB Token. They pointed out UX improvements and the team spent the night making the improvements and are pushing a new repo for the second and largest set of testers from across the world." Guys, as we know that SHIB swap testing is ongoing, at the same time the audit continues. What we are testing is the UI and general workflow while performing staking, farming, transferring LPs from other swaps, etc. The UI is pretty neat, IMO, clean, but with some rough edges here and there. Team is working on these things. However, I won't leak screenshots. What I can do is share my wallet address in Kovan. What I did, use the site to buy some SHIB leash, move the test LP to SHIB swap. I think that was it. Today I tried to do some things too with leash. SHIB Informer has mentioned his Kovan test network ID. Feel free to check, maybe I can do a transaction for the non-believers. Guys, every one of us wants to know the release date of SHIB Swap exchange. So they say that only the dev team can decide, but these tests are important because we think the usage of SHIB Swap will be huge. Change in scale was one if the reason for more and more audits. Never expected 4000k potential users in day 1. A single UI quirk can trigger a huge reaction and create confusion. Thank you Shiba Army for your patience and beware of scams. Guys, there are a lot of scam goings who say to double up your SHIB tokens. Don't fall into them. SHIB is currently at 0.000123 and it is down by almost 28% in the last 24 hours. SHIB is currently on the downside, but we can see that the entire crypto market is bleeding in red. I think this is a good entry time to get into cryptos and buy some cryptos at very cheap prices. In 7 days we are down by almost 60%, 14 days looks good, we are up by 638%, and in the last 30 days we are up by 568%. I mean, that's not bad in such a short period of time. Now look at this Reddit post, I found it very interesting. It says that the SHIB Army has gained 80,000 plus new members in a week on Reddit. They have gained 200,000 members in a week on Twitter. We are all over the worldwide news. We are starting to gain more attention from rappers, famous people, politicians, bodybuilders. VB donated world record donation in history to the India COVID Relief Fund, which a lot of people saw it in a bad way because he could sell more Shibas. VB burned 90% of this remaining wallet, 10% will be donated to another charity. Rumors say he has sent it to the SHIB swap admins, but it is not confirmed. Shiba's numbers are increasing very fast. SHIB has been the #1 most viewed and searched token for more than a week already. This will take time, and if you think you will become a millionaire in 1 week, then this will not happen. Stop being scared or talking shit about the project or just bringing negative energy to this community. Shiba is even bigger than Doge. We will be going to the moon and beyond, and even if we don't go, we fought for it. This is the best community I have ever been in, so we will not accept negative energy. Get on board or leave. Next stop is the moon. Yeah, you got it right. Guys, this news is literally everywhere. Two brothers, they invested $8,000 and that turned into $9 million of returns from the Shiba token. That's insane, guys. It's really gonna go to the moon. Famous bodybuilder Kai Green has also made a post on Twitter as well as on his IG account about the SHIB token. So guys, what do you think about the SHIB token? What do you think about the SHIB swap? Let me know in the comments. I hope you like the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Thank you everyone.